Yes, man.
If you have a boat this fast and you live near me, I'm calling the FBI. Yeah, hello? FBI? One brother live near me and he boat go about 3,000 miles per hour. Yeah. I don't know, but I feel like I have illegal activities in my boat. There's no reason why he boat is so fast, brother. A serious thing, me I call him. Cannot have a boat going at that speed and not have criminal intention. How much drugs they transport? How the boat not take off from the water is astonishing. It seems to be moving at the same speed a plane moves when it is about to take off from the runway. Going at that speed, that boat cannot travel on sea with rough waters. Because it just needs tips, one wave, and everybody in it is going to the grave. Me not see why you need so fast. Any fish where you are run down with that fast, you don't need to catch a fish there. Or maybe this is a test run for the next Fast and Furious, because at the rate that they are going, I think the Fast and Furious C edition might be coming out. At the start of the video, the man here did curly like Fimi. See? When the boat done, boss here straight. Look on it. Eh? Boss here permo. Can't go on no boat where I go change your hairstyle, brother. Moving at that speed. Nah, dude. Maybe a lie me I tell about the hair changing thing.